Oh, Nigel, do you realise how ridiculous you sound? Each time one of your lot speak, they seem to find the grounds for untimely resignation or instant dismissal on all issues social, environmental or fiscal, because it seems simply the crux of this country's malaise can be accredited to the foreign and women and gays. Whilst you were wading round flood sporting your sou'wester, determining the cause, the pure genius of David Sylvester. The worst floods for 127 years, global warming or something more serious at work here. We've allowed same-sex marriage and now we must feel the smite of benevolent power opposed to this human right. He says homosexuality is a spiritual disease. Remember before they married when winter was but a gentle breeze. Now I'm not slamming anybody's beliefs, but how is there a place for this in Diverse 2015? Denny says stop telling me you're normal when you're not. There should be no definition of normal, full stop. Oh Nigel, do you realise how ridiculous you sound? Nothing in these comments could be construed as profound. Your dear old Goddard, wasn't he an asset? He really hit home with some unbelievable classics. Why is Bongo Bongo Lad receiving our aid? They're only spending it all on designer shades. And your solution, close the borders, avert our gaze. Pull the nets across, love, if we can't see them they'll go away. That's all it comes down to with you. End immigration, keep our jobs for British, male, Caucasian. Them coming over here making you irate, stealing our jobs while simultaneously scrounging off the state. Oh Nigel, do you realise how ridiculous you sound? Your unashamed casual sexism is well renowned. Lap dancing clubs are a fact of life, you say. Looking at tits is perfectly fine as long as you have paid. But if I dare to feed my baby in public places, my tits offend, I'm being ostentatious. If you are fool enough to employ young free single women, you'll only have to pat her on the head and send her home hormones. In the workplace, women with children are worth less. And in 2015, comments like that are worthless. You simply decline to vote on equal pay, scrap maternity leave, it's a waste of a wage. You don't bother to deny that there are 2 rooms of the house. You think a woman should stay in quiet as a mouse. Your bullshit doesn't go unnoticed. You can't hide behind a pint being ordinary blokish. Our vote is our voice and you hear what you want to hear. And I wonder after all these years, if Pankhurst could see who some considered to a point, she'd sit head in hands and say, what was the fucking point?